guys, it's me, Jayla, and today I'm gonna show you my squishy package. So, I don't know where I ordered this from. I don't know who I ordered this from. I can I'm only laughing because my belly's laughing. My address is on this side, but that's not my business. I'm opening it. I ordered one tiny, no, not a tiny, I don't know. I ordered a tiger squishy. Stop looking at me. Okay, so y'all can see this. Here's a tiger. It is a tiger. I'm not sure if it's squishy. It's squishy. It's just not so rising.